Hey there. Now I'm going to show you how you can access your Get Funded Inner Circle membership. You're going to simply go to grantcentralusa.com, and then if you're already logged in, you'll be able to go straight to My Library. So let's click that. And in case it doesn't take you there, it means that you're not currently logged in. So you'll need to simply enter your email address that you used when you signed up and put your information in. And then you should check your email to look for the message that we sent to you that has the details of what your membership password is. You'll simply enter it and then hit sign in. Once you do that, it's going to take you over to the Grant Money Vault, the library that empowers you to get funded. And you'll see the Keys to Success product. Here's the product that we have for the Get Funded Inner Circle. I'm going to simply go to View Product. And this is going to take you inside of the community. And here's where I have a very important message for you. So go there first and listen to the message that's going to give you the information that you need, as well as here's some additional grant master classes. These classes take place on the fourth Friday of every month. And remember, we will add a new one each month so you can come here and get additional information. If you're looking to get started right away with your grant writing, here's where I recommend that you go. And you'll notice that we have the grant writing workshop. This is about an hour and a half training that you can access right away. And then right next to it, you'll notice with the bonus content, this is all the information that we promised you with our amazing gift. So that information is delivered to you right away. You can come right here for the grant writing resource manual, and you can download it right away. In addition to that, all those additional resources where you get a chance to hear the funders as well as other grant professionals to learn from them, that's right at your fingertips as well. Depending on the membership level that you have, if you're a gold, you'll be able to have all of this information that you see here all the way down to this part. Notice that we have writing samples for you that you can access, as well as some time-saving forms and some additional information. If you have a platinum membership, you'll also get this and then some additional information. And then if you're Platinum Plus, you'll also get all the additional information designed to help you to grow your business. So this is how you will be able to grow and learn as a grant professional in the Get Funded Inner Circle. We're so glad that you're here. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at info@grantcentralusa. Until then, be brave, be bold, be brilliant, and take charge.